today we are going to just discuss about distance-based LR parking system. We have to just everyone know how where we have to do. You have to just open Google Chrome, and then after you have to search Tinkercad. Okay. Then after you have to search Tinkercad. On Tinkercad you have to just click the first ID on Tinkercad. Then click here. Then you will be able to see this is the Tinkercad Autodesk website where you can scroll down and you can find the join class. We already provided you the class code and your ID. Your ID is your your password is your full name. Okay, you have to just click on join class, type your class code, go to my class, and then type your name, the full name in small letters without space. Okay, now I am going to log in my ID. You can see this is my ID. Okay, this one is my ID. So you have to just see where we have to go. We have to go just first click on the create button, then go to circuit. Then we have to go to circuit. After that, you will join the this page where you can find all the electronic component. Here you can also type your name or any other topic's name because the topic name is distance based LR parking system. Okay, distance based LR parking system. After that, you can see distance based LR parking system is written here. Now, what we have to do? First of all, we have to take the microcontroller. Which microcontroller we have to take? We have to take the Arduino Uno. Which microcontroller? We have to take the Arduino Uno. Now, after that, we have to take the ultrasonic sensor. Which sensor we have to take? Ultrasonic sensor. Because if we wanted to measure the distance, the basic sensor is ultrasonic sensor. Basic sensor is ultrasonic sensor. Okay, my battery is low, so we have connected battery. Okay. Yes. Now increase the brightness. Increase the brightness. Okay. Now next thing we have just go to search option. Search here ultra. Okay. Search ultrasonic distance sensor. Then click on the second option. You don't have to take this sensor because in this sensor only 3 pins, but you have to take the 4 pins. Which means you have to take 4 pins. Okay. So click here and delete this sensor. Now you know how to rotate. Just click the sensor and here is the rotate option. Just rotate it 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now it is rotated. Now next thing is for alarm we have to take a piezo. It is also known as buzzer. Oh, okay. Now what you can see, you can just scroll down and take the piezo. Otherwise, you have to just click here search button and search buzzer. What you have to search? Buzzer. Okay, buzzer. Then you can find the piezo also. Okay. Now delete one piezo. And next thing is you can one more thing. You can just rotate it the piezo. Click here. Then the minus point is here and plus point is here. Okay. Now next thing is you can see the negative wire. In the piezo, there are two terminals. One is negative, another one is positive. Okay. Now negative wire will connect with GND. Negative wire will connect with GND. Okay. Negative wire will connect with GND. Now this one will be in black color. Remember one thing: when you are connecting the negative wire, it will be always connect with the GND and it will be in black color. It will be in black color. Okay. Now the positive wire, we can connect the positive wire any digital pin. Where we have to connect any digital pin. Any digital pin. Now click the positive wire and just connect with digital pin 30. Now if we are connecting the positive pin, then change into the red wire. Okay. Now next thing is we have to connect the ultrasonic sensor. Now in the ultrasonic sensor, there you can see there are 4 pins. First is VCC, second is echo, third is second is spring, third is echo, fourth is GND. Okay. Now we have to connect the VCC wire in the positive 5 volt. In the 5 volt, we have to connect the VCC wire with the 5 volt. Okay. With the 5 volt. Now trigger pin. Trigger pin you have to connect any digital pin. Where we have to connect any digital pin. Now I am going to connect with it. We already, you know, all the students you have know we can connect the trigger pin and echo pin with the digital pins. And there are 14 digital pins in Arduino Uno. Now we can change the color of trigger. It will be any purple color. Now next thing, we have to select the echo and connect it with the digital pin 7. Now change the color also. It will be blue, pink, anything. Okay. Now next thing, you have to connect the GND. Connect the GND. Now if we are connecting the GND will always connect with the GND and it will be in black. Okay. It will be in black color. Now the connection circuit is done. You can see connection circuit is done. Now next thing we have what we have to do. Next thing is we have to just make the code. Now click on the code and delete all the previous code. First of all, delete all the previous code. Now next, we have to just go to variable. We have to go to variable. In the variable, we have to click on create variable and type here distance. What we have to type? Distance. Just click OK. Now you will find three blocks. Now take the second block, put here, and you everyone know ultrasonic sensor is an input device. Ultrasonic sensor is a input device. It takes the instruction from our environment and measure the distance, particular distance. So we have to go to input and take the read ultrasonic sensor and put here. Now you have to click here and scroll. You can see ultrasonic distance sensor on trigger pin. Now you can see the trigger, this purple wire is connected with 8. So change the pin number trigger to 8. And now echo pin, you can see echo pin, the blue wire is connected with 7. So change with the 7. Okay. Now next thing, if we wanted to take the distance from our surrounding, then print anywhere, okay, on the any screen. So it will print on any screen. The screen will be an output device. So we have to go to output and take print to serial monitor. Print to serial monitor. Now in the serial monitor, we don't have to print the hello world. So we have to go to variable again and take distance, put here. Okay. Now next thing is we have to make a condition. Suppose if we are parking a car in the parking area, if the distance is less than 50, then the buzzer will on. If there is water tank, if the water is completely going to be full, then the alarm will be started. Okay. So we have to make a condition. For condition, we have to go to control and take the if and else block. Don't take this if block. You have to take the another one, if and else block. Put here. It is visible to all. Okay. If not visible, then I will just increase the code. Okay. Now it is visible again. So in the else block, there is a hexagonal block, hexagonal space. You have to just go to mathematics and take the this mathematical operators. In the this mathematical operators, there are so many variables. Okay, so you have to take this block and put in this hexagonal space. Now go to variable, take distance, print here, and change the distance 1 to 50. Okay. Okay. Now if the distance is less than 50, if the distance is less than 50, then what will happen? Then if the distance is less than 50, then what will happen? Then the alarm will on. So we have to set pin and change the pin number with 13. Why we are using 13? You can see in the buzzer is positive pin is connected with 13. Okay. So that we have to set pin 30 should be high. Okay. If the if condition is true, if the if condition is true, then this condition will be followed. Otherwise, this will off. Okay. Again take set pin. Put here, change the pin number 13 and this one will be low. Okay, that is the very smallest code you can make it. Okay, after making the code, you have to just start simulation. Okay, start simulation, initializing. Then you can see open serial monitor. You can see the distance is going here. I will just decrease it, and so you have to just click the ultrasonic sensor, and if you are increasing the distance, then it is also increasing. Okay, if the distance is less than 50, you can see. If we decrease the distance, less than 50, then you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. It is making the sound. And here is the 39, less than 50. Okay. Now stop simulation. This is the all simulation part. Okay. Now next thing is how we can do the hardware also. You have to take the ultrasonic sensor, buzzer also, connect the wires, and then also connect the cable. Then after, download the code. Okay. Here you will find the code. Then double